tremendous depression, boredom, tiredness, teenage suicide, drugs. Understand? In next 5 years, the biggest problem of the humanity is not going to be HIV or terrorism. No. If you think terrorism, HIV, all that is going to be a big problem, no, you are wrong. It is boredom going to be the biggest problem. Human beings are going to see every alternative solutions. Change language, change country, changing spouses, changing husband or wife is a old fashion. Changing your own gender is going to become new fashion. Suddenly, one fine morning you decide to change your gender is going to be new fashion. But all this also will be out of fashion within 5 years. Human beings will reach the peak of boredom in next 5 years. Freedom is not choices in front of you, it is ability to develop your will persistence with the whole universe. Listen, I'll repeat. Freedom is not choices in front of you. This car, that car, whether this cell phone, that cell phone, that cell phone, or this food, that clothes. It is ability to command the universe with your will persistence. Freedom is to ability to dictate universe with your will persistence, not choices. Choices is baby's freedom. If you are given choice, you are diverted. Understand, whenever media makes some big issues, whenever media makes big issues out of something, don't look at that. Look at what they are trying to divert you from. Look at what they are trying to divert you from. Same way, whenever society gives you the choice and freedom, look at what they are trying to divert you from. Look at what they are trying to divert you from. Your ability to dictate the universe is freedom, not your ability to pick up the 10 items they are showing in front of you. The worst conspiracy done against humanity is you have been taught choices are freedom. No. Will persistence is freedom. Will persistence is freedom. The whole humanity is going to collapse because they believed choices are freedom. Now choices are over. In 5 years you are going to have softwares. By hooking yourself to it, you can download language, arts. You can change gender, just like walk in and walk out. It will not be months together or years together. Walk in as male and walk out as female, or walk in as female and walk out as male. It will all be within few hours. You are going to have the choices to the level where you will be terrorized. Understand? You will be terrorized with choices. Then you will understand choice is not freedom. Will persistence is freedom. Will persistence is freedom. If you have been taught choice is freedom, the person who taught either is stupid or part of the conspiracy. If you believe, either you are fool or deluded. Will persistence is freedom. Your ability to persist with your will is freedom, not the choices in front of you. The mentality, the society built on choices or freedom is already collapsing. I can see in front of my eyes. The country which consumes more than 60% of the resources of the planet Earth is 63% depressed. 3% chronically means can't even get out of their home, and 63% can go and manage their day-to-day activity but depressed, clinically depressed. 60% of the resources of the planet Earth is consumed by a country which is 66% depressed, 3% chronic, and 63% manageable clinical depression. That is why I am saying the thought current, lifestyle, civilization built choices or freedom is collapsing. It is Varanasi answer, not New York. It is Varanasi answer, not New York. I am not against New York. I just want you to know the thought current, choices or freedom, is childish, outdated, over. Human beings are facing terrorizing choices. Understand? Our biggest problem is not going to be lack of resources. It is going to be terrorizing choices, where you are not just going to be bombarded with choices, you are going to be terrorized by choices. Will persistence is freedom, not choices. Choices of food, pleasures, clothes, cars, the way you stay, whether off the grid constructions are 9-star, 11-star hotels. Thank God I was brought up in billion-star hotels under sky, where I could enjoy billion stars. The way you stay, the way you travel, the way you style yourself up, the way you love, the way you have sex, the way you romance, the way you die and way you have your cremation, everything. You are going to have terrorizing choices. I am not using the word. You will be given choices, or you will be bombarded with choices. You will be literally terrorized with choices. But that is not freedom. That is not freedom. Will persistence. Ability to command the universe is persist. The will persistence is freedom. Ability to command the universe is freedom.